Hey guys, I'm actually really excited to show you this. We're gonna go behind the scenes and look at one of our service vans and how we set them up. This is our newest van this year and we've actually changed up how we service out of here, so let's check it out. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So with this ramp, it's actually pretty cool. We're able to load a couple different machine types. We're able to load our power seeder, we're able to load our stand-on, and actually we're able to fit our wide Stinger aerator in here as well. So we can actually do like 3 different services out of this van. It's really cool. And we're able to perfectly service your lawn, all those services out of this one van. This van is also set up for maximum function. So when we're doing fertilizing, right, we have our closed loop system here. And this closed loop system allows us to mix our products thoroughly without actually touching anything and using the proper rates every single time. So over here we can kind of keep our herbicide, and you can actually kind of see where our plunger goes in and grabs it and then puts it into the tank while we have our water going into the tank at the same time to mix it. And in the very back here we have our water tank that supplies our closed loop system and our water line. And then up here we just have additional storage, right, for extra products, our gases, and any other products they may need up here. Is kind of kept in the middle above the water tank. So this is our fill hose for our machines. This is actually the product that is mixed. We also have a regular water hose for water, so if they have to mix anything additional or that doesn't require the herbicide, again, they can just get fresh water from here. Over here we kind of keep our stakes and signs, so when the guys need those to put their caution signs out or advertising signs, it's right here for them. We have a blower set up here, so when we need to blow granular fertilizer off the driveway, it's really quickly accessible right here. Moving over to the side here, we actually will store our product over here, all of our dry stuff. So we'll be storing our fertilizer, our seed. If the guys have a push spreader they need for that day for something like a hill or the yard's wet, that'll also go up here. Garden weasel, stuff like that will also go up here. And then we can access the water tank and fill it from right here as well. Thanks again for taking a look inside the van, seeing behind the scenes and how we operate. Check out our other videos for more insider looks and behind the scenes like this one.